When you set out a goal, you will be able to have a clear path of how to get there. Many businessmen are not succeeding to their full potential due to the stress that they have in their marriage and in their relationship. I, Liana, create dominant men and will show you how to take control of your marriage and your relationship for you to have the life that you deserve. Are you ready to be happy and explore your success beyond what you ever imagined was possible? If you are, then let's get to it. What's up, leaders? I'm Liana. I'm a professional sex, marriage, and relationship expert. I create dominance and I will show you how to take control of your marriage and your relationship. So let's get to it. So in today's video, wait, hold up. This man right here is my husband.
I don't think I'm even in the thingy.
No, you are.
What's up, leaders? I'm Hadi.
He's Hadi. And what do you do?
I have a YouTube channel teaching people how to build a business, make money online, and I also teach people how to build a business and make money online. I also have a marketing agency, do tons of marketing stuff, tons of business stuff, and I teach you how to make money, become a leader.
And who's creating leaders?
Me. I create leaders.
Okay, so today in this video, I want to talk to you guys about setting out goals in your marriage and how to reach your goal in marriage. In a marriage or in any kind of relationship, your business relationship or your daily life, you always need a goal for you to know where to get to. A lot of couples I see, they make a mistake and they struggle in their marriage and in their relationship because they don't have a goal in their marriage. It can be anything. It can be anything that you two as partners set out that you want to reach that goal together. It's not a personal goal that you want to get it there personally. It is both of you that want to get there. So when you set out a goal, you will be able to have a clear path of how to get there and of what to do. When you are in a marriage or in life, if you don't have a goal, you tend to be messy, you tend to be very unclear with what you want in life or in marriage, especially in a business. If you don't have a clear goal of how to reach your revenue or how to expand your business, you won't be able to do any of that without a clear goal and a clear path. So it is important for you to set out a clear goal in your marriage and how you're gonna do that. So let me tell you a little story about my relationship with my husband right here.
You have a husband?
I have 7.
Oh, 7.
Had. I dumped all of them for you.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Sucks for them, doesn't it?
I thought of letting them join you.
No. Okay.
But I don't think you're into that. I'm into that, but yeah. But so our relationship is not a standard marriage relationship that we used to have. I mean, that other people have, not used to have. In the beginning, we actually set our goal without even acknowledging that we set our goal.
We didn't realize that we were setting.
Yeah, we didn't realize that we were setting our goal. So we sit down and talk with each other of what we want in our relationship. And later on, when we got married, we continue those goals in our marriage. So that's why in our relationship and our marriage, there's not much that's different. So what did we talk about and how did we were able to just sit down the first day that we were in a relationship? So my story was that when I was in a relationship with different guys, other guys, my exes, I didn't have a clear goal. I didn't talk to them about anything that what I want in a relationship, what I like and what I don't like. So I had terrible experience with many of my relationships due to that reason. because my personality, or I'm very submissive, and I like to be with dominant guys, but a lot of my exes were not dominant at all. So submissive being with submissive doesn't work out, and it didn't work out with my relationship. So when I got a relationship with Jahan, I just decided, okay, this is enough. I want this relationship to work out, and I want myself to be happy and let the other person know what I want, because I don't want to keep hiding it and just wait for my partner to like find out later magically that, oh, is that what she wants? No, if you don't tell that person, they won't know. So that's what I did. And coincidentally, that Jahan had the same thought as well. So you want to tell them a little story why you were had a clear goal and wanted to sit down and talk to me in the beginning of a relationship?
Yeah, I'm not into having sex with only one person. I want to be able to have sex with anyone, and everyone that I want. And I was going to make that very, very clear at the beginning of our relationship, so you know, and so we both know where everything in our relationship stands.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't want to waste any time. I didn't want to make it so you have to guess or anything. It's pretty stupid when people do that. And I was going to make it very clear what I expect and where our relationship will go.
Yeah.
So that's why I sat you down and basically explained everything, and we talked about all of it, and I made it very clear from the very beginning, so we're not wasting any time. So we're both very clear, very aware of what we both want in a relationship.
Were you clear like that with other relationship? Like, what get you have an idea of that? I know that I'm not the first person that you did that.
No.
Yeah, so
almost every person.
What was the reason behind that you started to doing that?
Because I didn't want to waste time. More than anything, I didn't want to waste time. A lot of people waste time and then afterwards they're like, oh no, this person didn't want to only have sex with me, or they're not okay with it, or something like that.
Okay.
I don't want to waste time with people that are like that. Like, if they're closed-minded, if they're not willing to do stuff, or they want to limit me from doing stuff with other people,
okay,
why would I want to be with them? And that's why I'm not into that. So that's why I want to make it very clear, so I'm not wasting any time, anyone's time, mine or anyone else's.
Yeah.
So that everyone knows what they're getting into. I want to be open, clear, and not waste any time.
Was there any relationship that you weren't clear and it would turn out badly? Like, so what I meant was that, was there any lesson that you learned, or was it just something that you knew?
No, I knew.
Okay. So that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was just
I wanted to be very clear from the beginning.
Yeah. So it would just we would just click right in the beginning, and we just sit down, and I was just surprised that when he's like, okay, let's sit down and talk about this, and right after he asked like, hey, you want to be in a relationship? Literally a few minutes after, we sat down at the table, set out everything in a relationship. And I did not mind that at all. I was just like, okay, sure. It's like, okay, you're like the submissive one. I'm like the dominant one. I'm like,
lay out
okay.
the roles at the very beginning.
Like, okay, go ahead. I love that. and he said that, okay, I will have open relationship because I want to, like, you know, don't want to restrict myself. But at that point of time, I was having sex with other people as well. So I didn't mind that, but I had a period of time for me to get used to the idea of it, because I used to be in monogamous relationship only. At one point before, I did get into non-monogamous, but I didn't understand what it was and how to do it. So how to did it. So I messed it up. My ex-boyfriend messed it up, and we just did not have a good experience. So when he said that he wanted to be in a relationship with different people and have sex with different people, it was quite a time for me to set out. So I set out a goal that I need to get used to this idea, because I know myself that I like it. I know that I like to have sex with different girls and sometimes with guys too, but not that much. that's what I set our goal for myself. But as a couple, we set our goal that we want to be successful and we want to be happy and be together. And we have a lot of goals for ourselves, how to improve our relationship, but we also have a couple goal. So right now, we actually building an empire together, and we are. I'm helping him with 2 companies. I'm not running it; he's running it, and I like my man to run everything. I don't want like. Yeah, I don't like just like, you know, like people like, oh, it has to be equal, this and that. No, fuck that shit.
Equality doesn't exist.
Yeah, equality doesn't exist.
Not in the world, not in relationships.
Why equality doesn't exist? Because if equality exists, everyone will be the same.
Everything will be the same. Exactly the same.
Your eyes, your skin, your face, your personality will be everything the same. That will be so boring. So I don't believe in equality. Anyways, so that's what we have in our goal in our relationship, is that building empire and have a happy, beyond happy marriage. Kids is not our goal on our list. Kids, we might have it, like we might have our kid, we might not have our kid. It's not our priority. It's not something that we have to put like a goal to it. Because imagine this, if you put your kid as a goal in your marriage, when you have a kid, what are you gonna do next? Your goal is raise a kid, right? After raising a kid, after 18 years, maybe 20, they leave. What's your next goal? You need to set out a long-term goal. I mean like a 50 years long-term goal. Not a 10 years goal, not a 20 years goal. Time goes by really fast. Within like a blink of an eye, it will go past right there and you wouldn't even notice it. So that's why you need to set out a goal that you and your partner want to achieve in your 50 years of marriage, in your 60 years of marriage, until you die. That's what you need to do. So
really long-term goals.
A really, really long-term goal. Just like your business, when you set out a goal, you have your next goal. Do that with your marriage as well. Treat your marriage as important as your business. This is no different. You need to stay focused in both. If you don't treat your marriage as important as your business, it's gonna be gone. That's just the truth. So that's why you need to set out a goal and know what the goal is. Sit down with your partner, talk about it, and have a chat with them. Say that, hey, what you want to do in the next 50 years. Don't say that it's too long ahead to even think. It's just an excuse. You should know your goal of what you want. Just like your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want me to talk about a specific topic, please comment down below, or if you have any problem, just comment down below. I would love to help you out. And if you like my topics, I talk about marriage, sex, and relationship, and how to create dominant men. If you like that, please subscribe. Thank you so much again, and see you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe to him too.
Yeah.
Jahan Hadi.
Description is down below.
Down below.
Links in the description for my channel.
Yeah.
If you want to build a business, make money.
Okay, bye.
Build a life. Bye.